Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Greek Yogurt, and today I have a Q&A for you guys. I asked you guys to leave some questions in the Discord, and as you can see, we're outside today. So we're gonna try and, I don't know. Have you guys been outside in a while? I haven't been out. There's a Q&A for you. Have you been outside in a while? But anyway, my phone's at 20%, so let's get into the video. First question we have is a question from Thumb Athlete. He asks, what's your favorite song? That's not creepy. And to that, I probably have to answer The Weeknd by Sean James. It's a very good song. It's like quite like an empowering song. I don't know, whenever I feel kind of down, I kind of just listen to that song, and it's a good, like, I don't know, it's a good motivational song. You guys should listen to it. I'll probably link it down below or something like that. Good artist, good artist. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Next question we have from Samurai, aka It's Chaz. Hey, what's your favorite Star Wars movie and why? And if that's easy, favorite song. Alright, so I already got the favorite song one. Revenge of the Sith, The Force Awakens. I'll do like one from each trilogy. So the prequels, Revenge of the Sith, Empire Strikes Back from the originals. I have to say it was The Last Jedi. Very good movie. Rian Johnson did a great job. Very controversial opinion, but that's just my opinion. Human 101707 asks, as innocents, are we able to vent like red? And the answer to that is always. We're always able to vent like red. Minnie asks, have you ever looked in the mirror and was like, OMG, man's hot right now, and done like this exact hand gestures? I'll do them. I don't know if these are like gang signs. I probably just joined a cult. Oh god. Oh, and then cried. Yes, I can say I have. Yes, now I have. Nice, thank you, Minnie. Next question we have is from Alex, and he says, Gerald or Gerald? Gerald is spelled like chair, C-H-A-I-R-A-L-D. Gerald, like Gerald. So it's not with an E or an O, like other people think it is. But Gerald, he is my chair. If you guys don't know who he is, I'll link a video right here. I don't know, it's up here, wherever it is. You guys can go watch a review on my Gerald chair. It's great. Probably the most comfortable chair I've ever owned in my life. Another question from Alex asks, what are some difficulties you've had when starting streaming? And that is, I don't know. I guess technical difficulties, like hardware, not like my hardware wasn't good enough, or like I just didn't have like the things that I needed, or even just trying to be comfortable in front of a camera and like all you guys that come to watch, and it's basically like you're literally broadcasting yourself to strangers, but it's like you get to like know those strangers, and like you eventually become friends. Like I've met like so many of you wonderful people just from doing like Twitch, and it's kind of crazy, and I'm very, very, very thankful for it. But if there was one thing I was struggling with, it was for sure either being too hard on myself or just not having like the equipment to make the videos or streams that I wanted to make. So yeah. And also, one of my favorite moments from streams, oh my god, I have so many, just like the little like inside jokes that we have, or like something hilarious happens. It's not just me sitting in my room playing a game, it's like me playing a game with you guys, and that's just so much better, because like if something funny happened, and I'd be laughing in my room by myself. But it's so awesome to see you guys just like react along with me, kind of like live. It's like I'm playing with a group of friends, but like it's like we're trying to play on an Xbox together, but it's only like a single player game, and you guys are just like on the couch like with me, just like playing a game together. It's, I don't know, that's how I think of it, and it's very fun, very cool, and I enjoy it a lot. I do, I really do. Oh yeah, guys, I got an electric bike. I mean, it's not really mine. I got an electric bike. It's friggin' sick. I don't know if you can see it. It's very small. But you know, gets the job done, and it goes by itself. So Tiff doesn't have to pedal. Oh hey guys, I need to ask you, is it cheating if you buy villagers in Animal Crossing? Jazzy Loves Pancakes asks, what places have you always wanted to travel to? And to answer that, I'm gonna say Paris, like France, like European countries. I feel like I've gone to a few. I've gone to Greece and Italy and stuff like that, but I want to go see the Eiffel Tower. I kind of want to go to Greece again. They have beautiful beaches. European countries for sure. They're so beautiful. Oh my gosh. But thank you. Thanks for the question. Queen Livy, aka Olivia, asks, what's the hardest thing about streaming? Keeping like your mental sanity, I guess you could say, because sometimes it's like you're like, oh my gosh, like what if like nobody shows up today, or like what if what if like this is my fall off point, or like what if my streams aren't good enough for people to watch and I'd much rather watch somebody else? Like what can I do to make it better? Like what can I do to get rid of like things that aren't making it better and are like attracting people away? Or is my content good enough? Like it's just like it's all in here. That's probably the hardest part, is your mental barrier, and it sucks. Thank you, Livia, for the question. I appreciate that. Oh, this is a good question. Orbits asks, how do you have the motivation and ideas to keep going even when you're having a bad day? Having bad days is not fun, as I tell you guys every day when you come in. I'm like, hey guys, whenever you guys come in, I always ask you how your day's going, because I sincerely want to know, because when you're having a bad day, it's not fun. But when you're having a good day, it's always nice to just like kind of cherish those days, feel grateful for them, because bad days suck. When you have bad days are bad, period, and good days are good. That's why they're called good days and bad days. But when I'm having a bad day, streaming is like the only thing that, and content creation kind of like this is like the only thing that kind of makes that go away, and I can like not think about it for a while, and it's kind of like an escape. But and that's solely why I do it. I do it to entertain other people. I do it to keep me like mentally sane, and I just make other people happy, which in return makes me happy. It's like a two-way street. It's great. So I don't really beat myself up over it. I make content just to make content. I don't make content to be like, I'm gonna be like the biggest best content creator like on no. I make it just to make it, just to help you guys out, just to talk to you guys, because that's what we are. We're just like one big dairy aisle. Yeah, we're all good. Yeah, don't sweat it. Thank you though. You said you're good. Yeah, thanks. The motivation that drives me to do this type of thing literally just comes from within my heart, because it's always something that I wanted to do. Everyone starts at zero. So it's like, to get started, you first have to find that internal motivation. And this is for like anybody who's trying to start like a YouTube channel, or like a Twitch stream, or like a Twitch channel, or anything like that. You literally have to have the motivation from within your heart. If nobody shows up, you can't just be like, oh, like maybe it's not for me. You literally, it's hard work and perseverance. That's what's gonna get you through life and through hard situations. And I don't know, if it's truly something that you're passionate about, that is what will always keep you on your feet. He was on a bike too, so he's probably like, bike homies, but you never know. Dude, if my camera falls off my bike, I'm gonna cry. It's probably gonna happen too. Did you guys hear that? Alright guys, I'm probably gonna do the outro right here. If you guys enjoyed the video, smash like, I don't know, do whatever you need to do. Let me know some more questions in the comments, who knows. But anyway, hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. I'm a Greek yogurt. Catch you guys on the flip side. Bye-bye.